Hello friends, my name is Swarnim Pandey. I secured All India rank 38 in GATE in Electrical Engineering 2020. I am making this video to share my strategy of last 2 months with you, which I had followed. So I am assuming that you all have basic knowledge of all subjects of electrical engineering and comfortable in at least 3 to 5 subjects. So my strategy was I divided whole day in 3 slots. The first slot is from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. in which I have to put 5 to 6 hours for preparation of the new subject. And after that, the second slot is to test the whatever I read in first slot by giving test series, subject test or part test of the same content, and of course after that analyze them. Then in third slot I used to revise the subjects which I have already gained confidence in, and simultaneously I used to make short notes of those subjects. In this way I continued my preparation till 19th December, and on 19th December I gave my first full length test with 8 subjects prepared and 4 to 5 subjects remaining. Then from 19th, I changed my strategy. I used to put 2 to 3 hours in reading new subjects, and I used to give a full length test on every alternate day from 19th. And along with that, I continued to make short notes of the subjects which I was revising, and along with that, uh, I used to give part and subject test of the new subjects which I was reading in those days. This strategy I continued till 10th January, and till 10th I had completed 8 subjects short notes and 11 subjects completely. So and I left analog electronics, just covered only basics of analog, so that I can tackle the trivial problems which are coming in GATE from previous years. From 10th January onwards, I started doing previous year questions of GATE, so that I'll get to know whether I am able to tackle the questions which are asked in GATE or not. So from 10th to 26th, my preparation is like previous year, solving previous year problems, revising, and giving full length test. Uh, and along with that, I used to revise the tough tough questions which I had tackled before, and revise my short notes continuously. Like in every 2 3 days, I used to cover all subjects which I have prepared in short notes. And remember, the short notes should be like crisp and concise. You should be able to visualize all subject with those 5 to 10 pages short notes of each subject. So this should be a strategy to prepare short notes of a subject. uh, I am recommending short notes to prepare in December only, is because if you are not able if you are not comfortable enough in a subject, then you will not be able to uh, concise, or you will not be able to make crisp and concise short notes, which is basic and foremost need to make short notes. And I want to stress on test series, is because uh, especially the fresher students are afraid of test series, of giving test series. And till the time you are not comfortable in giving test series, you will not be able to secure good rank, because tests give you a real time experience with timer. So you will get comfortable enough and able to achieve maximum out of what you know. So I am giving stress on this also. Then from 26 Jan to 1st Feb, I completely relaxed my schedule, and only give 3 to 4 hours for studies. Then and I stopped giving full length test in that period also. Then from 2nd Feb onwards, uh, I plan to complete the theory uh, of all subjects once again. But unfortunately, I was not able to complete the subjects because of my personal issues. I have to travel to my hometown from college, and these things were there, so I was not able to complete. But I never lose confidence, uh, because this should be in everyone's mind, that even if you are not able to achieve 100% what you have planned, then also you should not be demotivated. Like many times we see that if someone got less marks in test series, or someone not achieved whatever he planned, like you have planned for 1 month and you are able to achieve only 80% of that, then you should not be demotivated, but you should be confident enough on what you have prepared. Same thing with me. Then I appeared for gate on 8th, and the result is in front of you. So I want to stress on some key points. The points are, the first point is confidence play key role. uh, as you all know that if you are confident enough, then you will be able to crack those questions also which you are not able to visualize in first attempt. But if you are confident enough, then you can relate something with question to what you know, and you will be able to crack the question. uh, it happened to me very often. The second point is give tests as early as possible. In my case, I started on 19th. If you are comfortable enough in 6 or 7 subjects, then start it today only. Then the third thing is, when you uh, feel demotivated, then talk to your parents or someone who motivates you. In my case, I talk to Ken Rao sir very often. He guides me and motivates me. As you all know, he is a legend in electrical engineering. So this is the case. You can also search for a mentor, or can talk to Ken Rao sir. His mobile number is available to all of us. Then don't judge yourself from test series. Rather, try to get feedback from test series and improve on those areas. Don't get demotivated. And if you are afraid of what people think if they get to know your number, then don't tell the peoples. And third thing, the last thing which the last point which I want to make is, while solving a gate problem, don't get panic. Just think in a way that it's a question which you have to relate with the theory, and write and make an equation from your understanding, and just do the mathematics involved. Don't categorize a problem in tough problem or easy problem or such things. Problem may be lengthy or may be short, but if you are comfortable enough in concept, then mathematics may be lengthy, but question is always easy. So see the problems in this way. And yes, devote as much as time as you can, and uh, be relaxed and don't get panicked any time. Like always be in your conscious while preparing, and try to be realistic with your plannings. So these are the points which I want to make, and best of luck to all of you. Thank you.